Hey everybody, welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. As always, let's start by reviewing the exercise. So this exercise is all about multiple voicings of one chord. So the tone and flavor of the chord here is the dominant seventh. So we're playing an A seventh throughout this exercise, but always be conscious of the fact that if you move these shapes up or down on the neck, you're going to be in different keys. And this is really important for taking these shapes and being able to, apply them to so many settings. So for me, the seventh chord is so important, and having multiple voicings is so important inside of blues guitar. But of course, there are plenty of songs where dominant seventh chords show up, and this ultimately gives you 5 voicings of any dominant seventh chord. We just happen to be playing these voicings in the key of A. So before I give you the specific notes inside of each chord, make sure you really let that information sink in. When you receive this chord, you're not just playing an A7th, or you're not just getting access to an A7 chord, you're also getting access to a B7, you're also getting access to a D7, E7, etc., etc., because you can now take this shape and move it all around the neck. All right, so let's go ahead and break down these specific shapes really quick. These are all 3-note chords. We're starting on the G, B, and high E strings. We've got 2, 2, 3 for that first voicing. Then we're moving to the D, G, and B strings, and we've got 2, 0, 2 for that second voicing. Then we're staying on those strings, but we're moving to 5, 6, 5 for that third voicing. Then we're moving to the A, D, and G strings, and we're going 7, 5, 6 for that fourth voicing. Then we're finishing it off with the low E, A, and D strings for the fifth voicing, and that's 5, 4, 5. For this exercise, I think the goal is to be able to fluidly jump from one voicing to the next. Of course, that might not be possible right away, but take your time. Maybe start by bouncing between 2 voicings and go really slow. Maybe you set up a really, really slow metronome, or you don't set one up at all and you just bounce, at a pace that feels really comfortable to you, and maybe it's not in perfect rhythm, but really just take 5 to 10 minutes to try to get your brain moving, to get your hands moving, and then move on to all the songs and solos you want to learn, and we'll see you next time.